there, this is Keene with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V Touring. This bad boy right here is the top of the line in 2019 CR-V lineup. It has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 190 horsepower engine, 179 pounds of torque, and up to 33 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, we have LED headlights with auto on-off. We have hands-free access power tailgate, and as you can see, some sharp design. The Touring has everything you could possibly want, like a 330 watt premium audio system with 9 speakers, a Honda satellite linked navigation system using Garmin technology, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Touring also comes with Honda Sensing, which includes safety tech like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking system, and much, much more. So come on down to Honda of Keene. These models are going fast. Come test drive one at 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, or check them out online, hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!